All right.
3, 2, 1.
Day
Happy birthday!
six.
Day 6.
Birthday Eve, boy.
Birthday Eve. Swag.
This is one downfall of the trail. This 30-mile stretch, we're just on the side-by-side trail, so it's very busy and loud. I did hear that they're going to be changing the route in this section because of that, so hopefully that's true because it's needed.
Oh, there's a name on here.
Okay.
Shout out. We'll look you up later.
If you're seeing this, Daniel, or you know Daniel, comment his name below. I really want to know who this guy is and why his name was on that stick. We have arrived in Nemo, and we're staying at a schoolhouse that is just for us, I guess. I found this place on Google and it looks really cool, and my dad's birthday's tomorrow, so we're gonna celebrate tonight extra hard, and we're gonna go to the pub. The schoolhouse is ours, so who knows what will happen. We'll see. Nemo, resupply, let's go! School supplies. This is our house, all to ourselves. School's out forever. Welcome to our house. Fourth grade saying we were the only ones in this house. Oh, cool. Cheers.
Cheers.
We finished the night off at Brandon Iron Restaurant. It was so delicious. The live entertainment was amazing. And if you didn't notice, there's a tree right in the middle of that restaurant. So she is actually sitting in an old dentist chair.
I am. I'm about to get my teeth checked because it is 6-month checkup for me.
Unwinding in the schoolhouse was magical. We decided to make a happy birthday message for my dad so he wakes up so happy. This day was truly amazing, and I cannot wait to show you the next day.